This is an emergency action notification, requested by the United States government. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures for a national emergency. The President or his representative will shortly deliver a message to the public. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the creators of Discord. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. At approximately 3:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been many reports of riots all across the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. This likely due to the death of one of the most popular communication systems, Discord. People are looting and rioting all across the United States due to this devastating event. Well over 158.2 million people across the United States have participated in the riots. All residents of the United States are advised to seek shelter immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems, close all fireplace dampers, and seal all cracks on doors or windows with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. Do not participate in the riots, or you will be arrested without question. The President has been moved to a classified location, and will be speaking shortly. Please stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. This an emergency action termination. The riots that occurred across the United States due to the death of Discord has ended, and over 78 million people have been arrested for civil disturbance across the United States. The danger to civilians is over, and residents may exit their shelters. Normal programming may now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.